Leave me alone.
Hey.
Please, sir, leave me alone.
Stop. Roll over.
Please, Lord. Please leave me alone, sir.
Hey, stop.
Please leave me alone.
Stop. You're fine.
Sir.
Hey.
Please leave me alone. Sir. Please leave me alone. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Stop.
Please leave me alone.
Stop.
Sir, please leave me alone. Please, sir.
Hey.
Will you play? Will you please leave me alone, please? Please, sir.
Hey, stop.
Please, sir. Please leave me alone, sir.
We're not doing anything to you, okay?
We're not doing anything to you.
Look,
Leave me alone,
He said
sir.
we were going to pat you down.
Leave me alone,
and we're gonna do
sir.
it. Stop.
Please, sir. Leave me alone, sir. Please.
Stop.
Please, sir. Leave me alone.
Stop.
Sir, please.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Hey, we
No,
were trying to
you
help you.
don't.
And you
No.
start getting crazy with this and
Please,
get physical.
sir.
Stop.
Why are you doing this
Relax.
to me? Why are you doing this to me?
calm down.
Please.
Calm down.
Why are you doing this to me? Please, sir. Please, sir. Please leave me alone.
Hey.
Please.
Run.
Sir.
Stop.
Please
Stop.
leave me alone.
Hey,
Sir. I just want to fix
calm
my
down,
truck.
man.
Stop.
Please, sir.
Hey.
Please,
Stop.
sir. Please, sir. Please leave me alone. Sir, please.
Stop.
Sir, please.
Stop.
Please. Sir,
Stop.
please, will you leave me alone?
Don't you
Sir.
kick me.
Just
Please.
Don't you kick me. We're going to have a problem if you kick me.
Oh,
You understand?
what will you leave?
Let's do this.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Let's sit you up.
Leave me alone.
Hey.
Sir.
Everybody.
Oh.
Stop.
Stop.
Ah.
Stop.
Ah.
Calm down.
Ah. Ah. Wow. Ah. Ah. Why?
Stop.
Why are you doing it? Why are
I got this. I got his arm.
why are you doing it?
Got a cover?
Oh.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop. Hey. Stop.
Stop trying to grab me.
Stop.
Resisting. Get them hands up. Stop resisting.
God damn.
Stop.
Stop. Stop.
Stop grabbing. Y'all got it? Definitely need those arms.
Stop. Relax.
Why?
Relax.
Stop.
Relax. Hey. Hey. What's your name, buddy? What's your name? Stop. What's your name?
Stop it.
Roll him to his side.
No.
Just in case he's evil.
Leave me alone.
You be having
Okay.
fits and stuff.
Leave me
Does he
alone.
use?
Okay? You be
Does he use?
Leave me alone.
having
Motherfucker.
Okay.
fits like that all the time.
Why y'all doing it?
Let's roll him onto his
Why y'all
side.
doing Leave me alone, sir.
The ambulance, has the ambulance taken him before?
Leave me alone.
All the time?
Hey, leave me alone.
You be having those
Motherfucker.
Hey.
Hey. Bye.
fits with napping.
Bye. Hey, leave me alone.
Stop. Stop.
Stop it.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
But I use
Hey, just keep
Motherfucker.
pulling him because he's going to keep rolling around. He's going to hurt himself.
Motherfucker.
Hey.
Stop it. Stop it. Leave me alone.
Stop.
Motherfucker.
Stop. Roll over.
Stop it. Please.
Roll him onto his side
Hey,
so he's in a
stop.
recovery position.
Please.
Let's go this way, okay?
Please leave me alone.
Let's just go to your left.
Actually, take him
Please
that way.
leave me alone.
We got the brakes on this side.
Motherfucker.
Roll him over.
Stop it.
Hey,
Lay down
stop.
to your right,
Leave me
okay?
alone.
Stop.
There
Right
you go.
there.
This is called the
Right
recovery
there.
position, okay?
Ah.
You're fine.
You're fine.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Medical's
You're okay, my man. Medical's on the way.
We're not trying to hurt you, man.
Hey,
You are.
stop.
Leave me alone.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Just hold his head.
You motherfucker. You. That was a chicken shit, motherfucker. Leave me alone.
What medications do you take, man?
Motherfucker.
Hey,
medication
stop.
do you take?
Watch his head.
Leave me alone. Bitch,
Just drag him under.
leave me alone.
Just drag him on the sidewalk.
Yep.
Leave me alone.
Just drag him under there so he can't hit his head.
No, motherfucker.
Relax, my man.
I'm gonna hold your head so you don't hit it, okay?
No, motherfucker, leave me alone.
I don't want you banging it.
I was kicking you, motherfucker. Why are you doing it to me? Why? Why are you doing it to me? I don't fuck. Why are you doing it?
Relax, man.
Okay, just
We're
relax.
trying to help you.
All we
You're
want to do
okay.
is help, dude.
What's your name?
Ah.
What's your name?
Shortly afterwards, medical arrived and transported Mr. Scott to the hospital. I'll take any questions. Yes, sir.
Can you explain excited delirium, and are your officers trained to spot it?
Yes, they are trained to spot it. Both of these officers were CIT trained, crisis intervention trained. Excited delirium is basically a phenomenon that presents both psychologically and physiologically, where people experience schizophrenia, paranoia, agitation, delirium. It causes elevated body temperature and is oftentimes associated with illicit drug usage and can contribute to death.
Is it spotted in toxicology, or would it be able to?
So we'll have to speak on that when the coroner gets the results back. We'll just have to wait for that answer. Yes, sir.
How long after the last part of the video we saw did it take for medical to arrive?
Medical arrived. I can give you a timeline here. So medical was called for at 3:42. They requested medical expedite at 3:48. And medical arrived on scene and began transport at 3:55.
You said you spotted a meth pipe. Did you spot any residue or any drug, any of the illicit drug in the apartment?
So I believe we had a photo of what was recovered. That is what was recovered right there.
Just double checking, so he was experiencing some health problems in the vehicle on his way to the hospital?
He was in medical distress in the ambulance, yes.
And then immediately when he got to the hospital, he passed away?
The time of he was pronounced deceased at 4:38.
So do you think that your officer had any influence in how he died or why he died?
As I stated before, there was no reportable use of force. You saw the video. They were attempting to try to get him into handcuffs and then offered assistance. We do believe that Mr. Scott was suffering from a medical episode and quite possibly a mental health episode.
When you say medical episode, you're talking about just from being on drugs?
Yeah, I can't, that's going to be speculation. We'll wait until the coroner has the autopsy results back and toxicology.
For officers who, you said both these officers are placed on administrative leave while this is investigated. Is that typical for in-custody deaths?
Yes.
If you were on the scene, would you have done anything differently?
I think these officers acted appropriately. As you saw, they took him by the arms. He went to the ground. He was not forced to the ground. There was a struggle. You could see that he was fighting the officers in an attempt to not be placed in handcuffs. But I can tell you just from viewing the video that minimum amount of force was used.
Who's the other man in the video? Did he live with him? Did he know him?
So that's a neighbor that the officers allowed to stand there in hopes that he could help calm Mr. Scott down.
Did Mr. Scott live with anyone else, or have you spoken to his family?
He did not live with anyone else, and yes, we have spoken to his family. Thank you for coming out on such short notice. If you have any more questions, the Office of Public Information will assist you with those. Thank you.